Now that I finished my real money trade series here on the channel, where I took 2 accounts, traded them over a year to show that I can be profitable, and doubled those accounts, that series is done. So now I need to do a new one. I've decided to do it on prop firm or funded trader programs. That seems to be the buzz. Everybody's looking at that and talking about it, so I want to do it. The hard part is looking at all the videos out there of people trading with funded programs. They all seem to be saying, oh, and click the link below in the description for 20% off and stuff like that. It seems to me that all the videos I've watched, those people have a financial incentive to say good things about the program they're in and only show you the good things. So that doesn't really help the community. So what I've decided to do is go from beginning, setting up, getting in with a prop firm, going through the whole process, getting funded and getting a payout, and not being an affiliate with them, because I want to make sure that I can give you the full honest truth so you can see the good, the bad, the ugly, beginning to end. Is it legitimate? Is it a scam? What's my honest opinion? I want to be able to give that to you without being tied to funding. So before I can pick a prop firm that I'm going to trade with or a funded trader program, I needed to ask a few questions. The first one, CFDs, the most important one. CFDs are illegal. Are they using CFDs as their instrument? I don't want to be with them if they are. It's illegal. Or at least it's illegal for U.S. citizens, and it might be illegal if you're in the U.S. Check the laws in your country you're at to make sure that whatever program you get into is not illegal where you're at. Next, will my trades actually affect the market? Will they get routed to the market, or is this strictly a simulator? If it's strictly a simulator, and I'm going to try to take a payout of 50 grand or 100 grand, can this company actually do it, or am I wasting my time? What trade platform can I use? Am I familiar with it? Is it, NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim? What is it? Dash Trader? So I don't want to have to learn a whole new platform. I want to get into something that I'm already used to. What's the profit share? The commissions, all that stuff. Because when you factor in that with losses, can I still make money at the end of the year? What are the rules? And are those rules intraday or are they closing? What's the cost of the whole program? The actual cost, not just my initial fee. Is there data plan? Is there a monthly fee? What is all that stuff? What tickers and what markets are available? Forex, equities, crypto. What's the deal there? And is it a market that I'm familiar with? I don't want to have to learn a new market. Will this program fit the foundations of my trade plan? The foundation is the most important part of your trade plan. That's who you are, your personality. That's what makes you who you are, and that's how you have to trade. You have to trade you, not them. And then, can I mold the functional part of my trade plan to the rules of this program? Do I have to be out of my trades at a certain time? Can I hold overnight? All those different things. All those different things I have to look at, because my trade plan might say hold stuff overnight. Well, can I adjust it to where I get out at the end of every day? Can I use my current strategies, with this program? And can I create, or do I need to create new strategies to fit the program? And do I need to create a new functional part of my trade plan to fit the program? And if I do, can I do that, and do I want to do that? Next, does this program look complicated and time consuming? Am I going to take forever to see a return, or is it pretty simple and straightforward? And the second most important of all, first was CFDs, second is customer service. Can I reach a human being and talk to somebody if I have issues? So after answering all those questions, I was able to make a choice. Okay, so with all that information, I've decided to go ahead and set up an account with Topstep. And the account that I've decided to go with is the 150K account with the $149 right now because of the discount that they have. And go in with that setup right there. If this was really expensive and I didn't really have the cash to do it right now, then I could always go with the $50,000 setup, which is our $50 right now on sale, and just go with that. And then my profits from this and my payouts from this, I could go and open a new account with the higher limit and go from there. Almost scale my way up if I wanted to do that. But all right, so next step is select. And let's confirm you are a human. Okay, let's begin in English. Where is the car driving to? Right there. Submit. Or where did it come from? All right. Become a funded futures trader with the one rule. Hit your profit target. Got it. So let me put all the information So let me go ahead and put all my information in this box, and then we'll see what happens next. Okay, so I filled out my information. Then I get to this next page. Please take a moment to verify your phone number. All right, let me put that in there. Okay, verified my phone number. We have updated our terms of use. Please accept them. Continue with Topstep. Continue using Topstep. So let's go ahead and read those terms of use. Terms of use. These terms of use govern access to the use of the site, Topstep. All right, I'll just scroll this real quick, and then I'm going to go back and kind of look through it. Okay, so that's their deal. I'm going to go ahead and read through this again just to make sure that this is the same one that I looked through. Okay, so I went through the terms of use, and basically it's everything you would expect. You know, basically you can't sue them for anything kind of stuff. It's not their fault, even if it is kind of thing. Like, you kind of have to put all those things in there because you never know what people are going to throw at you when you're trying to do this kind of business. So all that seems pretty straight up. There's, you know, rules that you have to follow. They lay out what those rules are when you're trading and all that kind of stuff. So definitely, if you're going to do this, read through the terms of use. But the biggest thing I got out of it in there is that they don't want me to show you anything on this channel. So I'm going to only show you what's on their public website right now, and then I'll send them a letter for permission to show you everything else and see if they grant me permission to do that. But basically, if it's not public facing, I'm not allowed to show it to you. So I sent Topstep a message asking them if I can show all my stuff, their dashboard, all their information, everything on my channel, so that traders can see exactly what Topstep's all about. And they gave me permission. They said, yeah, go ahead. So now I'll be able to show you all the back office stuff, so to speak, as well as the forward facing stuff you would see when you just went to their website. Okay, so clicking, I've read the thing, blah, 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 submit. All right. Hi, Eric. Welcome to Topstep. Ready to earn your capital to trade. Start my trading combine. All right. Select NinjaTrader, my absolute favorite platform next to Thinkorswim. Recommended platform, no fees on Trading Combine, ultra customizable, access to dozens, got it, compatible with NinjaTrader. There's a lot of stuff you can play with. All right, cool, I understand. So no fees during Combine, which means they might make you buy the platform after or pay the fees, which I already own it, so not a big deal for me. I think everybody should own NinjaTrader, to be straight with you, like to sim trade and stuff like that. It's by far like the best sim trading platform I've ever seen. All right, and ever used. Okay, account size, edit 150, right? Trading platform, NinjaTrader. Got it. Got it. All right. Have a promo code. All right. Okay, so I put my payment information in, processing card. All right, congratulations starting your Topstep Combine. We are excited to have you join the Topstep community. We are committed to turning people into traders and blah, blah, blah. Okay, all the stuff you can read. So Topstep Trading Pledge. I understand our program. I have reviewed the following and understand trader support. It's available for questions. Yep, I've already asked some questions and they were really fast. Terms of use, Trading Combine objectives. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click Combine Objectives. See what happens here. All right. So let me see what that's all about, and then I'll bring it to you. Okay, I tried to sign in to see what that was, but it won't let me sign in yet, so I don't know. Maybe something's tweaked, or maybe I got to finish going through this setup process. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, so we're back here. Understand the risk. Got it. Dedicate to develop trader community. Got it. Okay, so that's the only thing I really wanted to see was the Trading Combine objectives, which I pretty much already saw, which is making that much money over however long it takes, but not exceeding like 40% of that. Basically, you have to do it over at least 2 days of trading. They don't want you to get lucky on your first day and pass. They want to see some consistency, so they want you to take your $9,000 you need to make and slowly make that $9,000. All right, so I'm going to hit agree.
Hi, I'm Jack, and welcome to Topstep. In this video, we'd like to give a quick overview of the Trading Combine. The Trading Combine is a single-step funding evaluation for futures day traders. This means that if you achieve the trading objectives, follow one rule, and reach the profit target, you'll become a funded trader with Topstep. First, let's discuss the difference between objectives and rules in the Trading Combine. A trading objective is a goal that you must complete in order to be funded. However, failing to meet one of these objectives will not result in a lost account. On the other hand, if you violate a rule in the Trading Combine, your account will be ineligible for funding unless it is reset. Now let's dive into these objectives and rules. The objectives in the Trading Combine are as follows. Reach and achieve the profit target. For every size Trading Combine, there is a specific profit target that you must reach in order to earn a funded account. Achieving this profit target shows Topstep that your strategy can generate profits in the futures market, which for obvious reasons is important. You must only trade futures from Topstep's permitted products list. These include everything from equity indices and bonds to commodities and currencies. You can find a full list linked in the description of this video. Trade only permitted products during permitted times. You must also only trade during permitted times. Since the Trading Combine is an evaluation for day traders, you are not allowed to hold positions past 3:10 Central. You may, however, open positions again at 5 p.m. Central. If you do have a position on a market close, our trade desk will automatically liquidate that position. This won't count as a rule violation, but we wouldn't recommend doing it because the auto liquidator certainly won't get you the best fills. Also, be sure to know what the market hours are for any product you trade. A few of them, such as agricultural futures, have different open and close times. Here is a list of the supported products with separate trading hours. Maximum position limit. Each size Trading Combine specifies the maximum number of contracts you're allowed to hold at once. Maximum position sizes are a standard practice across the entire prop trading industry, and they're used to ensure that your trading leverage is appropriate for your account size. Daily loss limit. Each size Trading Combine also has a maximum daily loss limit for the account. This is the most you're allowed to lose in a single trading day. If you hit your daily loss limit, it will not be counted as a rule break. However, your positions will be liquidated and you will not be able to trade until the next day. Daily loss limits are a standard risk practice in professional trading. You shouldn't lose too much of your risk capital in a single session. When things aren't working out, sometimes it's best to walk away, or as we say at Topstep, always be trading for tomorrow. The consistency target. Having one or two great days doesn't tell us much about you as a trader. At Topstep, we're looking for traders with consistent, repeatable strategies. That's why we have the consistency target.
The consistency target is calculated based on total profits. To pass the Trading Combine, no single trading day can account for more than 50% of your total profits.
So those are the Trading Combine objectives. You can learn more about each of these in detail in our Help Center.
There is also only one hard and fast rule in the Trading Combine: the maximum loss limit. In the Trading Combine, the maximum you are allowed to lose equals your highest closing account balance minus the maximum loss limit, which is specific to each size account. You can find the account balance that represents your max loss for the current session in your Topstep dashboard. If your account goes below this value at any time, it will become ineligible for funding until you reset the account. Topstep only calculates your max loss based on your highest end-of-day account balance. We do not calculate it based on your highest intraday P&L, which is a valuable feature of the Trading Combine. As you grow your account, the max loss will increase in tandem with your profits until it stops at your starting account balance. This rule is best explained by example. Say you are starting a 100K Trading Combine and the max loss limit is $3,000. This means that on your first trading day, your account balance may not go below $97,000. If you close the day up $2,000, bringing your account balance to $102,000, your max loss account balance for the next session will increase to $99,000. If you make $2,000 again on the second day, good for you, your max loss on day 3 will be set at $100,000. This is because your max loss cannot go beyond your starting balance. Remember, your max loss account balance can only increase or remain constant. In our example, if you were to make $2,000 on day 1, and lose $2,000 on day 2, your max loss account balance would still be set at $99,000 on day 3. This is because it's based on your highest closing account balance. However, once the max loss level reaches the starting balance, it will stay there until you pass the trading combine or reset the account.
So there you have it. Those are the trading objectives and single rule of our one-step, one-rule trading combine. These objectives exist to help you become a more disciplined trader. Demonstrate that you can manage risk and generate profits, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a Topstep funded trader.
All right, so there you have it for the combined info. So let me click get started. Looks like the next thing on the list. Okay, upgrade market data subscription. Upgrade to depth of market level 2 data will allow. I don't need that. Okay, upgraded to level 2 data. All right, cool. So I don't need level 2 data because I'm mostly using. I'm using Thinkorswim for all my stuff. So I'm going to click no thanks because I don't need it. Only thing I need Topstep for is a funded account and being able to place the trades through NinjaTrader, and that's it. So no thanks. All right. Exchange group requirement. CME group requires information below complete before you can begin. Okay. So I just got to fill out this form for the CME group, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Okay. I filled out that data. I click next. We're adding features that combine data, discipline, emotion, support, blah, blah, blah. Think of them as your in-app performance coach. Great. Your coach tools, practice, alerts. All right. I guess we'll watch a video. Watch a video tutorial in Help Center. Okay. So basically some information on coaching. It says we know traders succeed when they're disciplined, there's accountability, and emotions are in check. Very true. But to me, discipline, like I talked about in my Real Money Trades series, discipline means that you have a trade plan that fits you, who you are, your personality, right? It's impossible to be disciplined if your trade plan doesn't fit you. It's not possible. You'll never be discipline, right? Because what is discipline? Discipline means you're following your plan. That's what discipline is. And if your plan doesn't fit you, you're never going to follow it. So you need to make a plan that fits you, your personality, your lifestyle, and your goals, your PLG. And as long as your plan fits your PLG, then you're more likely going to be disciplined. And if you're not, then that plan isn't the right plan for you. You got to go back to the drawing board, right? Like if my plan is to trade equities or futures, and especially futures, and I'm always going to move my stop loss until I blow up my account, well, then maybe I shouldn't be trading equities and futures. Maybe I should be looking into some call option strategies, right? Put option strategies would be a disaster for me, maybe. So, because maybe it's a different psychology. Like you have to find out what that is about you that ticks. And the best way to do that is in the simulator. And then after that, maybe it's trading in a funded account, or maybe it's trading with a broker with a really small amount of money, so that when you do blow up your account, you only lose $500, and you put that $500 in there knowing that you're probably going to blow it up and lose it, right? But you paid with that $500 to be able to educate yourself on who you really are, so you can refine your trading plan before you try again with that $500 or in the sim, and before, and keep going like that until you're ready to really invest money. So anyway, yes, traders succeed when they're disciplined, but discipline to me means that you have the correct trading plan for your personality. Accountability, it's great, and emotions are in check. Again, emotions in check. A big part of that is your trade plan. If your trade plan doesn't fit you, you're going to be a lot more emotional. For example, if you're putting at risk $1, are you going to be emotional about it if the trade's going to go against you? Yeah, you want to be successful, so you'll have a little bit, but is it really going to be a big deal? Whereas if you only have $1,000 to your name and you have $1,000 on the line in this trade, can you imagine how emotional you're going to be? Will you make good decisions? So that can be a really difficult thing. And you shouldn't have that much money on the line if you built a proper trade plan. So everything goes back to knowing how to build a proper trade plan and then being able to, execute that trade plan. All right, so meet the coach. Your automated coach, real-time extension of Topstep. All right, let's see. Let's see what it says. Video.
Hello, traders. Michael Patak here, founder of Topstep. I got some cool announcements for you, and I'm going to jump right into it. I want you guys to meet Coach T. Coach T is your full-time, personalized, automated extension of our performance coaches. And what makes Coach T so cool? Coach T is going to help you build a trading routine. Now, what does a trading routine look like? Well, you prep, and you trade, and you reflect. Just like an athlete would go out there and prep for the game, play the game, and then reflect on the performance. There's a routine happening there, and Coach T is going to help you with that. Now, who's Coach T again? Automated, personalized, digital.
Sorry, I got to interrupt just for a quick second. I got to say that I love that he has a snowboard in the background, some skis, especially the snowboard. This guy's helmet. Looks like he's someplace fun, and I want to go there. All right, moving on.
Performance coach. You're going to see more and more of Coach T in the coming weeks.
So there we go. That'll be interesting to see what tools they have and how those actually work and stuff like that. So it'll be pretty cool. So anyway, so there we go. Little information there. So let me get back to where we were at. All right, so I guess I will click this button. Got it. Okay. So to enable alerts to help prevent breaking rules, please use Chrome or Safari on your desktop. All right. Got it. So trading combine or practice. We're going to go straight into the combine. Let's see. Best day. Okay, so this is, I guess this is my dashboard where it kind of shows me what's going on. So high 150 grand, right? That's current, low, all that good stuff. Best day, worst day, average winning day. All right, cool. And then it looks like I'll get a little chart here. This is your starting account balance. Your net P&L will be calculated off this number. This is your minimum account balance, so I can't go below this number. Okay, I guess day to day, this is what I can't go below, which would get me, I don't know, $2,500, $3,000 loss. And then my max loss limit is down here. So that's pretty neat. If this charts for me as I'm going along and automatically shows me where my max losses and all that are, so I don't have to create a document on the side to track all that stuff. That's a pretty sweet deal. This is your profit target. Awesome. Let's see now this. Oh man. So it sounds great, right? And it probably is great. This is your profit target. To pass your trading combine, you must reach $9,000 in profit and meet the consistency target. So this is great that it shows you where it's at. But here's what happens. You start growing your account and you're right there, and then emotionally that can affect you. Seeing that right there can affect you. It's almost like if you are wanting to make $100 that day and you're like at $95, then you're like, oh, I'm just $5 away. I'm going to stay in this trade. I know I should get out right now, but I'm just going to stay in. I'm going to click that $5 and I'm going to get my even $100. You know, and some of my archive videos on my channel, I've done that. And I'm like, oh no. And I end up, having a red day. I took a green day and turned into a red day. So right here, I'll be like $50 away from reaching that 9,000 and passing the combine and be like, all right, it's $50 more. I'm in this trade. It looks good. But why am I staying in it? Do I have a proven statistical probability of success? Or am I staying in it because it's only $50 more and I want it to go a little more so that I can get my, I can get my 9,000. I'm only $50 away. I want this trade to continue, right? That's why I'm staying in it, because I want it to continue, not because I have data supporting that decision. And then next thing you know, I'm all the way down here and boom, I blow up this account. Like that, I bet that's happened to many people trading when they see that like target right there visualized. Man, so I know that's why a lot of times it's good for new traders to not even have their P&L on their screen and just trade the rules, and then later at the end of the day they can see how much they made, kind of thing. So anyway, or trade your plan. So cool. So this is a dashboard. It looks like start trading in your platform. Once you've completed your first trade, your trade report will update automatically at 6 p.m. So pretty awesome. This looks cool. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. Got it. So $9,000 is what I'm looking for, and I can't do 50% of that, so no big deal. Do not hit or exceed a $3,000 loss limit. Got it. And do not let your account. Got it. Fall below 145,000. Got it. All right. So start combine, trading combine, simple switch. All right. Okay. So I guess that's my deal. All right. Cool. So start trading the combine. Let's see what happens. What? Account size, trading platform review, get started. Okay, I don't understand this. Why is that here? What happens if I hit select? I already did all this. I understand. NinjaTrader. Next. I already did all of this. What's happening here? Back up. I don't want to do that. Alright, so what do I do now? I don't understand what happens next. Resources, start trading, start a trading. So I don't need to do that. I guess because you can have more than one going at the same time. All right, we don't want to do that. I don't know what to do next. So let's figure this out. Let me figure it out and then I'll tell you. Okay, so it looks like what I need to do is I need to set up my, pull up my NinjaTrader and then attach my Topstep account to my NinjaTrader and then just start trading with that account selected in NinjaTrader is what it looks like. I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set up my NinjaTrader and I'm going to go ahead and link my account with NinjaTrader. And then when a trade sets up, I'll take a trade with that account linked and we'll do a couple trades and we'll see if it pops up in here and we'll see what happens. It's not real clear. I wish there was like, you know, a drop down here with your steps. Like it told you exactly what steps to take. So in the email they sent, it just basically tells me to get NinjaTrader and put my information into NinjaTrader. So, but it doesn't really tell me like how this works. That's why I'm making this video. I haven't been able to find videos on the internet that go through this and show you like how this all works in enough detail. So I'm hoping that this video will help you all understand. Okay, so I opened up my NinjaTrader and then you can see here where I have connections. You can see my TD Ameritrade, Sim 101, Sonar, Ladder, Switch, like all the stuff that I sim. I always use NinjaTrader to sim everything for a long time to make sure that it's going to be successful, at least, you know, get a better idea of what's happening before I go back into Thinkorswim and trade with real money. So NinjaTrader Sim is awesome. So I'm guessing I can add an account in here and then choose to turn on that account. So I'm going to go ahead and try that and see what happens. All right, so now I put it in there. So now I'm going to go to connections and then Topstep. Unable to log in. Please check your username and password. Okay, let me figure out what just happened. All right, so in my email, there was a link to click the link to connect my account with my platform. And I got that link. It comes up to here. Platform connection instructions. Please be aware, all that good stuff. 310. So right now I'm kind of in that zone. Almost. No, not yet. Okay, so it should. All right, so here it is. Connect your account, all that stuff, right? So down here, to connect to your trading platform, please click on your selected platform below and follow the steps line by line. To complete the platform connection, it's important to follow the connection instructions exactly. Otherwise, your connection might be unsuccessful. So NinjaTrader 8 is what I'm trading with. And you get that. Uh-oh, that page doesn't exist. That page isn't here anymore. Try searching for your answers. All right. NinjaTrader 8. Maybe I got to do it all as one word, but we'll start here. Funded trader questions, Pro Trader Connect, download, man. NinjaTrader 8. Let's do it all together. NinjaTrader 8 tips. NinjaTrader mobile, 8 mobile if you don't want. I don't want mobile. Connection instructions. Yes. All right, here we go. So before you begin, before getting started, you'll use two different login credentials for trading on NinjaTrader. Your personal NinjaTrader account username and password. Section 1 and 2 below. Your Topstep Rhythmic username and password. This is provided Topstep in an email that's given to you. You must connect to Rhythmic Trader Pro correctly before opening NinjaTrader each and every time before you you trade in order to get successfully connected to NinjaTrader. Okay, so it wasn't working because I had to download some additional software. So right here on Topstep's website, you can see this little tree right here, right there. So basically, all collections on like searching for articles, all collections, trade platform, NinjaTrader, NinjaTrader 8 connection instructions. And you come down, and then it's got great instructional video right here. You can also read along, but there's a really good video. They do a good job teaching you what you need to do to be able to pair up Topstep with NinjaTrader. So I'm in the process of doing that now, and then we'll talk to you more about it, what I've discovered after that. So it was a little bit complicated. If you're a NinjaTrader user already, a lot of times you just want to open your platform and have at it. But with Topstep, you actually have to download additional software. And if you just follow their instructional video I just showed you, it's really not difficult. But you just have to know that you have to do that. And then when you're logging in, there's different logins. You have your Topstep login. Then you have your login for Topstep with NinjaTrader. So I'm going to show you something real quick. So Rhythmic is this thing that you have to download additionally, and that you have to log into it with the login credentials that they send you in your email. So you'll log into it with that, and you'll have to set that up. Really easy instructions. They teach you how to do it, and then you'll have your NinjaTrader set up, and again, pretty easy to do. So under connections, same thing I showed you before. Configure, and they give you all these instructions. You'll go in, and the login that you'll use over here with Topstep is also your the one they send you in an email that's specific. It's not your normal Topstep login that you set up when you went into Topstep. So just to be clear on that. All right, cool. So now here I am in NinjaTrader, and the market's open. I put the ES up here, and I don't have any chart. So now I have to figure out, why don't I have any chart on here? There's no data coming through. Okay, so I was trying to figure out how to get data to show up on my my charts for NinjaTrader. And I guess it was just time for my account to like actually get fully in, and I just came here too fast because while I was trying to figure it out, I gave it a break, came back, reloaded it, and it worked fine. So it must have just needed some time. So anyway, so there we go. So we're all set up now for trading with Topstep. I'm going to send them a message in the morning and see how much of their stuff I'm allowed to show on the channel. And then, I'll black out what I got to black out, and I'll show whatever I can show. Try to be as transparent as possible so you can see everything. As far as how I set my chart up in NinjaTrader for the way I trade, I'll do a whole nother video on that. But basically, I got to remember to switch this over to Topstep when I go to trade. Sim 101 needs to go to my Topstep account. But I have my Thinkorswim chart next to my NinjaTrader chart because this is where my algo indicator is, and I want you to be able to see why I'm making those trades. So as I scroll back through the week, you can see, that I didn't cherry pick my trades. I showed you all the trades were available. All right, so there we go. So we're all set up. I'm going to do it, like I said, I'll do a separate video about how I set up my NinjaTrader for what I'm doing with Topstep. And then, my Thinkorswim charts are what my Thinkorswim charts are. So, yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next video.